In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the sent and received gifts in Epic Games. If you have ever wanted to check the gifts you have sent or received through Epic Games, this tutorial will guide you through the process, step by step. Whether you want to confirm a gift that you sent to a friend, review your previous gift activity, or simply keep track of your account history, you can find this information through your Epic Games account transactions. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Epic Games website. You can use any modern browser, but make sure you are signed in to the correct Epic Games account. This is important because gift information is connected to the specific account that sent or received the gift. Once the website has loaded, look for your profile menu. This is usually located in the top corner of the page. The profile menu gives you access to different account options and settings. Click on your profile menu to open it, then select Account. After selecting Account, you will be taken to your Epic Games account page. This is where you can manage different parts of your account, including profile settings, security options, and purchase-related information. On the account page, look for the Transactions section. This is the area where Epic Games keeps a record of your account activity, including purchases, gifts, and other transaction history. Click on Transactions to continue. Once you open the Transactions section, you may see different tabs or categories depending on your account activity. Look for the Gifts option and select it. After opening the Gifts section, you will be able to view the gifts connected to your Epic Games account. This includes gifts that you have sent and gifts that you have received. If you have previously purchased or received gifts, they should appear in the list, allowing you to review details such as what was sent, what was received, and when the activity took place. If you do not see any gift information, make sure you are signed in to the correct Epic Games account. Since gifts are linked to the account that handled the transaction, using a different account may prevent your gift history from appearing. And that's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you can easily view your sent and received gifts in Epic Games without having to search through multiple menus or settings. This makes it easier to keep track of your gift activity and review your previous transactions whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.